Oh, it's not often I get to see two calves with their mums. This is special, guys. Yay. Wow. Oh. Yay, blowing bubbles down below. And the one up top is just chilling on mum. Hey, give us a little flick. So good. So cool how the two mums are just hanging out. Safety in numbers, I guess. Whee. Oh, he just opened its mouth up the top, that one. That was wicked. Little buddies. Just having a look at him or her. It's like, what are you up to? Follow me. Yeah. Wow. So cool to watch. Yeah. Watch me do a little flick. Well, I can open my mouth. Yay, he's trying to touch his pet. Her. Oh yes, do a little roll for us, come on. I love when they go upside down. Come on, you can do it. Show your little buddy how it's done. He can open your mouth, but you can roll sideways, yay. Come on, keep going, you can get there. Just go. Just that right, flip it, get it over there. That's it, you're there. Yes. Woo-wee. Look at me. So special. Wowzers.